Ready. Ladies and gentlemen, today I will be unboxing and reviewing the BOSE SOUNDLINK FLEX. This is kind of a new Bluetooth speaker released by BOSE not so long ago, kind of competing against the likes of JBL and other manufacturers that make these portable, easy to move around sort of Bluetooth speakers. We're going to be testing the quality of the speakers, we're going to be testing how sturdy it actually is, and of course, let's get on with the unboxing. So looking around the box, it's made in Thailand. Okay, very nice, very interesting. Box does look a little bit beat up. I apologize. It says clear, deep, powerful sound, position IQ, detects orientation, optimizes sound, waterproof and dustproof, IP67. IP67 basically means that you can take this, put it in a body of water 1.5 meter deep, and keep it there for half an hour and it should be perfectly fine. We're gonna test it. Outside of that, it can withstand drops, crushing, shocks, and rust. So they're really trying to market this as that, you know, solid piece of Bluetooth speaker you can literally take anywhere, whether it's a pool party, a frat party, whatever it might be. I haven't been invited to those, so okay. Do feel free to like and subscribe to this video and to the channel. We're a small channel, still growing, so it definitely helps me out. On to the unboxing. Makes the unboxing super simple. We have these pullable tabs. Get those out of here. Nice and simple. So I guess, oh, it just opens. Oh, very nice. Oh, it feels like a rock already. It does feel like a rock. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. Wow. Okay, so there's weight to it. It definitely feels solid. Let me just put that off to the side. We get a start here, SOUNDLINK FLEX. So I guess this is the app store. So BOSE Connect. Yeah, if you download the app, you get a lot more features out of it. But we are gonna be testing the Bluetooth. Oops. And then we have this novel. Push that off to the side. And then what we have is the charging cable. So it is a USB-C charging cable, very nice. And I think that's about it. So there's nothing else in the box. Push that off to the side as well. Let's get on to the actual speaker. So it comes wrapped in this plastic, which is interesting. There's not a lot of padding in the box. That's something that I noticed. Oh, that feels soft. Yeah, so this is rubber. So it has a whole rubber body all the way around. It has this like little grippy thing. We're gonna test this out. But the front part is all like this solid plastic. So it feels really solid. Like, yeah, extremely solid. Very cool. Let's start testing it out. Let's see how it sounds. One thing I'm noticing right off the bat, these buttons are extremely hard to actually press. But you do need to push down a little bit with a little bit of extra force to actually get that feedback from the buttons themselves. Okay, so it should be charging. Well, I see the button, so this lights up right next to the power button. Alright, that's cool.
Battery 20%. Ready to connect.
Pair.
Connected to Face of Z Flip 3.
Cool, so okay, so it's connected, so that was pretty easy, simple. Now let's go ahead and play some. Yeah, so we are getting that, there is a deep bass. For something this small, there's a lot of power coming from here. So this button right in the middle is the pause and play. Then you obviously have the volume up and the volume down. So it has all the functions. The one thing that I will say about these buttons is that they're a little hard to push. Now, I kind of get it because this is something that's supposed to be portable. You know, if you're going on a bike ride or something like that, then the sides might continue to hit something and you don't want this to accidentally turn on and off or the volume to accidentally go up or down. So I kind of understand why the buttons are a little hard to press, but I guess in my situation, I'm not going to be taking something like this around. I mean, it's going to stay in my room like this, or it might be in a pool or something like that. And so I'd like the buttons to be a little bit easier to click and get some sort of feedback out of. But outside of that, it is a very solid device. The sound quality is really good. I don't see any problem with the sound at all. What we're gonna do now is test one of the, oh, this rubber actually gets a lot sticky, so it's like attracting a lot of dust. But what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna go out and we're gonna actually test this out in the natural environment which it was made for. Check out that IP67 rating and see exactly how sturdy this is, which I'm pretty sure, I don't think I'm gonna have any sort of problem with it, to be honest. Let's go take a look. The jack is open. There was no cover or case for it, so I guess we just throw it in like this. Oh. Get close. We're gonna see if it's working. Yo, yeah. You wanna come out here?
In New York, I'm Millie Rock.